Alright, now let's move on to dividing polynomials. Alright, so in this case we have m squared minus 7m minus 11. Divide that by m minus 8. Now when you have a trinomial divided by, actually it doesn't really matter if it's two trinomials or whatever. If you're dividing, you have to do long division. So in this case, this is the denominator, this is a numerator denominator, right? So it's going to be m squared minus 7m minus 11, divide that, m minus 8. So you pretty much work just the same way as you do regular long division. So you start with the first term, okay? So that's going to be m squared. So you have to ask yourself, m, okay? So you take the first term of m, and you ask yourself, what do I need to multiply m by to get m squared? Well, we have to multiply m by m, right? To get m squared. So we get m times m is m squared, and then we multiply m times negative 8m, negative 8 to get negative 8m. Okay? Now, the same thing with long division is whatever you have here, we have to subtract it, right? So we take these algebraic terms and then we subtract it. So we get m squared minus m squared, which is 0. Then we get negative 7m, alright? Now it becomes plus 8m because negative times negative is positive. So we get 8m minus 7, which gives us positive m. Okay? Now in long division, after you do that, what you do is the next term, you bring that over, bring that down, right? So you get m minus 11. Okay. Now you have to ask yourself, okay, m, what do I have to multiply m minus 8 to get m? Well, it's just itself, so what you do is you add 1. Okay? So what you get is m, okay, minus 8. Alright, then you subtract those. So m minus m is 0. Alright, the negative 1 plus 8 is negative 3. So we have 3 remaining over. So the final answer is going to be m plus 1, which we got here. Alright, and then the remainder is minus 3. So that's the numerator over the denominator, which is m minus 8. Let's try another one. Let's try n squared minus n minus 29. Alright, divide that by n minus 6. So if we do long division, it's going to be this. So you get n squared minus 20n minus 29, divide that by n minus 6. So again, you ask yourself, how many times does n have to, well, if you want to get n squared, how many times do you have to multiply n? We multiply it once by n, right? So you get n times n is n squared minus 6n, right? Then we subtract this from this, and you get 0. Negative times negative is plus 6. So 6n minus n is going to be plus 5n. Right? Bring down the negative 29. Right? N goes into 5n how many times? Well, it goes once. Or actually, n goes into 5n 5 times. So it's just going to be n plus 5. Okay? So 5 times n is 5n. Okay? Then negative 6 times 5 is negative 30. We subtract both of these, so we get 0. Alright, this negative 30 turns into positive 30 because negative times negative. So we get 30 minus 29, which is plus 1. So we have 1 left over. So the final answer is going to be n plus 5, the remainder plus 1 over the denominator, n minus 6.